Hello everyone and welcome back to Speak English with David. I am so happy you are here with me today. Today we have a very interesting and funny story to help you improve your English. If you want to practice your listening, you are in the right place, my friend. And if you want to speak English more naturally, you can also practice something called shadowing. Shadowing. So, what is shadowing? Shadowing is a simple and powerful way to improve your English speaking. Here is how it's works. You listen to me and then you repeat what I say, just like you are my shadow. You try to match my voice, pronunciation, and rhythm. In this video, I will speak slowly and clearly, and after each sentence, I will pause so you can repeat after me. First, listen carefully, then say the sentence out loud. Just like me. You can pause the video anytime to practice more. And you can watch the video again and again. This really helps get you out. And you will also see all the text on the screen. This way you can read and follow along I speak. It will help you understand better and learn new words too. Now, let me tell you a little bit about today's story. It's about a boy named David. He sees a charge on him on his credit card and he thinks someone stole from him. He quickly calls the banks to report a fraud, but later he finds something that changes everything. What does he find? What really happened? Was it a mistake or something else? This story is short, easy to follow, and it's perfect for practicing real-life English. So, are you ready to learn with me today? Let's get started. My name is David. Today is Tuesday. I woke up, I drink some coffee, and I check up my bank app. Wait, what is this? There is a charge on my credit card. It says 45.75 at a place called Sunny Home. What is that? I don't remember this place. My heart starts racing in my mind. Did someone use my credit card? Did someone steal my money? I look again. Yes, it's real. The money is gone. I open my wallet. My card is there. So, how is this possible? I feel nervous now. Should I call the bank? Should I wait? Maybe it's a mistake. Maybe the bank made a problem. But wait, what if it is not a mistake? What if someone is using my card right now? I can't wait. I call the bank. Hello. I say there is a charge. I don't know. I think someone is using my card. The woman at the bank speaks kindly. Okay, ma'am, we will help you. Don't worry. She asked me some questions. When did you see the charge? Do you have your card with you? Did you give your number to anyone? I answer everything. I say no. She says, we will block your card. You will get a new one in 7 days. What? 7 days without a card? How will I buy food? How will I pay for gases? She says, we will also open a case. If we find it's a fraud, you will get your money back. That sounds good. But I feel strange. What if this is a big problem? What if the person who stole from me is still watching me? I close the call. I feel strange. This day is not normal. Something is wrong. But then I think again. Wait, why does this name Sunny Home sound familiar? I don't know yet, but I am going to find out. And I hope it's not what I think it is. I try to forget about the church, but I can't. I keep thinking about it. Sunny home, sunny home. What is that place? I check my emails. Nothing. No receipt, no confirmation, nothing with that name. I check my text messages. Still nothing. This is serious. I start to feel afraid. What if someone hacked my card online? I call my friend Sophia. Hey, have you ever heard of a store called Sunny Home? She says no. Why? I tell her everything. She says maybe it's a scam. Then she says something that surprises me. David, are you sure that you did not buy something and forget? What? Forget a purchase? No way. I always remember what I buy, but now I feel confused. Could I forget something? No, that's impossible, right? I open my bag, I search inside just in case. I see my notebook, my pen, my lip balm, and then, wait, what is this? A small paper bag. It has no name on it, just a receipt inside. I open the receipt, it says Sunny Home 45.75. No, no way. I check the date. It's Saturday. Saturday? What happened? Saturday, I close my eyes. I think Saturday. I was very tired. I remember now. I went out for lunch, and after that I walked around the mall. And then, oh no, I bought a candle and a small notebook for myself, for relaxing. I made the purchase. It was me, not a thief, not a hacker, just me buying a candle and forgetting everything. How could I forget? I feel so silly now. I called the bank. I reported a fraud. But there was no fraud, just a bad memory. Now what do I do? I sit on my bed. I look at the receipt again. I can't believe this. It was all me. I made the purchase and I forgot. I feel so embarrassed. What do I do now? I take a deep breath. Then I call the bank again. Hello? I say, I need to talk about a fraud report. The same woman answered the phone. Yes, I see your case here. Is everything okay? I pause. Then I say, actually, I found the receipt. I made the purchase. It was my mistake. She is quiet for a second. Then she says, oh, that's okay, ma'am. It happens. Would you like to close the case? I say, yes, please. I am really sorry. She laughs a little. No problem. This is more common than you think. I feel a bitter but still embarrassed. I wasted her time. I made a false report just because I forgot one little thing. I say thank you and hang up. Now I sit in silence. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. I hope you enjoy David's story and learned something new today. You can watch this video again and again to practice your shadowing. The more you repeat, the better your pronunciation will be, rhythm and confidence will become. Repeat after me, pause the video and go at your own pace. You have got this. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Leave a comment and tell me, have you ever made a mistake like David? I would love to hear your story. And don't forget to subscribe so we can keep learning together every week. Before we go, remember this: learning English is not about being perfect, it's about being brave. So keep going, keep practicing, and enjoy the journey. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.